Today's guys' challenge here is to wash this engine.
Esse motor
I have now applied Removix,
o Removex,
and I'm letting you act here.
tô deixando aqui agir
And now we're going to go in with the...
com a esfregação.
I'm just going to make a punctual application here, right?
Certo?
Because I don't usually throw water in this part because
Por quê?
because it can. It will get heavy, will take off, can deform. So, I don't usually do it like this. I come here and do the cleaning as follows.
Ó.
Okay, here I am using shampoo. It's Vonix Moto V. Beauty people, now I'm going to let it act a little bit. We're going to do a finish just to show you. How does the result look without hitting water? And on the rocks there is no way. I will have to apply a product here. Removix and do a. Only I won't. The water it will pass. But it won't pass with weight, right? A lot is a lot. For us to do this decontamination here, behind the hood, I applied the product here, right? And then I come and do this finish like this, so. I'll only do this half here. Oh people, get clean, okay? I did not apply water here. Oh, no damage. The piece is magnificent. So that's it. Here's a tip. Do it the way you like it best. I had already applied a little here. I had already given a hand, and now we are. Here is just to show you scene material, people. The products and the way of perform. Ready, guys? Let's go here to the right products. I will use Sintra Pro here. He is already sidle, but then we'll reinforce. I will show here no. Watch the video until the end. That I'm going to do another step here. And she is very interesting for this decontamination, okay? Then pronounce Sintra. 1 to 10 little stronger. For us to do this nice cleaning. Here I will use a brush, and I also separated. Here on the screwdriver. Because if you don't have the screwdriver, you can do it. All on brush, no problem. But here I already gain a little more time. I do the first cleaning. The first step with her. And then I will reapply the product. You will see in detail we rub. Boot a little more. Pressure to take out a lot of dirt, right? Rub enough in dirt. And that's it. So let's start the beauty process here. And look how the bank turned out. It's still a little wet. Right, because this is Australia. But decontamination has already been done here. And look how the result turned out. You see that at the beginning of the video. This bank was quite contaminated here.
Aqui, ó.
But effective nor. Because so the product, he already does a wonderful cleaning. But depending on the dirt on the wheel sometimes, there can be a corner, right? Still steep. So, you come here with this mechanical action. And then you can improve here the cleaning performance. Start here. With RESTAURAX, plastic is already gone. The car has already been sanitized. The plastic has already been decontaminated. We decontaminate here with right APC. He already has this very renewed aspect, saw people. And now here, small amount. Small amount. You make this little application here. Super quiet. Only from plastic, it is already very clean. You see that? It doesn't need a lot of quantity, and it already looks one like finish or very, very nice. I will apply only here. Soon, people, I'm going to take the tape out here. Where we apply RESTAURAX. Where is the decontaminated piece? It has a very good look. Right, but look with the protection now. You can see the difference there. I believe I can show you the right difference. And now let's see here on the tire part. The tire. You can also see that it is very decontaminated. We use the delete here. It got pretty cool. Now with the dark born to make this submission. If the tape wants to come out. Ready, I'm getting here slowly. Ready, she wants to stay. Ready. Look unprotected. With protection. The look, how does it look, The good thing about using Pulvaflex is that it's practical, right? Will come out a legal cost benefit. You deliver the car to the customer with a very cool finish. It can be your car. Anyway, and then, what do you do in the end here? The Pulvaflex. He needs some time, people, to be completely gone right. He creates this little white layer. It will be absorbed by plastic. Then he will stay as all black. protected. And then you come at the end here. And you can do a little finish here. Or remove all excess here from the product. I'll do it right here how it's for the ready video. There you are. Looking like this. Well renewed. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end. And now let's go to the next video and it's worth it.